How to add co-host in Google Meet. Hi everyone, I am Eva. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So, are you ready to dive in? Then let's get started. So, open the Google Meet and click on New and click on Create a new meeting and copy the link of your meeting and press on Join Meeting. Now click on Join and you'll be in a meeting. Now share the invite to whoever you want to, and on the bottom right corner of your screen you can see three dots, so just click there and there you can see host controls. Press on that and turn on host management and you can successfully add a co-host on your Google Meet. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you liked this video, then please hit that like button and subscribe for more.